Well, away from security matters, there's need for the government to invest more in education and teachers to enable them cope with emerging trends in education. Speaking during the graduation of over 80 cohorts who completed early childhood education, including preschool, through the Teach for Kenya organization, the CEO, Yukabeth Kidenda, emphasized that the current generation requires high-quality education and that the government's responsibility to ensure teachers are well-trained and equipped to effectively handle students.
Okay. Allow me to commend Teach for Kenya for its continued partnership with the Ministry of Education and other stakeholders in strengthening equity, inclusion and innovation in the education sector. Your work aligns closely with national goals of ensuring that every child acquires the competencies, values and skills needed to thrive in the 21st century.
I believe we need to create more opportunities for professional development for teachers continuously, because they are continuously receiving new cohorts of learners. The world is changing every day, and so we need to be investing in these teachers to keep up with the world's trends. Another thing is ensuring that classrooms are very well resourced to be able to support the learning process, but also that teachers themselves are well remunerated so that they are motivated to go out in those communities and support these learners to thrive.
Well, that marks the end of today's edition of Weekend at 1. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jesse Rogers. Meresha Witi is our sign language interpreter. Good afternoon.